Hello and welcome to the Tip of the Week. This week's topic is how to go back to an earlier version of a presentation. Have you ever had a presentation that you were working on with multiple people and one of them deleted something or messed something up? This can easily be fixed by using version history. Let's look at how to go back to an earlier version of a presentation. Open the Google Slide presentation you are working on, whether it's your own or a shared file. Make a change, such as deleting something from a slide. At the top menu, click File, hover over Version History, and click See Version History. A panel will open on the right showing all previous versions of the presentation, along with the accounts that made each change. Click through the listed versions to preview them and find the one you want to restore. When you have found it, click the three vertical dots next to that version and choose Restore this version. A confirmation box will appear. Click Restore in the bottom right. Do you have questions about using Google Workspace? There are several resources available. The links and contact information are listed here.